Honda Accord 2015 onward. Upgrade Android car player with 360 Birdview parking camera. 360, 2D and 3D selectable. Front, rear, left and right 4 camera. Full touchscreen 360. Auto front camera function. Full menu. Setting. Turn on Wi-Fi. Connect phone hotspot for internet. Common. Software version Android 10. 8-core processor. Screen resolution 1280x720. So this is Lenovo D1 SSX. 10.1 inch QLED screen. 2.5D glass capacitance touchscreen. Multi-angle view. With canbus. Canbus plug and play socket. And special canbus plug and play socket and a special antenna. It's a long antenna to connect original car player radio antenna. Original car radio antenna. Voice control Lenovo. A factory password 2468. To set the canvas. So you have to select for the Honda Accord. Lenovo D1 SSX. GPS antenna. USB extension. One you put in a drawer. Another one is connect to original USB slot in the console box. And a 4G antenna. You can insert a 4G data SIM card for online data. Reverse 360 Birdview parking camera. Auto front camera function. Left signal. Auto show for the left hand side signal. Right signal. Auto front camera function. Right hand side camera. A front parking camera. Left hand side camera. And a rear camera. Total 4 camera. And on a Lenovo active subwoofer. Under seat active subwoofer. Installed by OneBiz. Video by Andy. D1 SSX 8-core processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, QLED, AHD Camera In, 48 band equalizer with time alignment, 5.1 sound system output, DTS, optical output, HDMI video output, and support for the CarPlay function. By OneBiz. Thank you.